you are 10 points behind, you have to be focused in just in the next game. So we cannot talk about this kind of goals. So you have to focus in the next game. In the next game, start the day after tomorrow, the second leg, and we have to be after what happened in the results where it is, and there are many things to fight. The Premier League, the Champions League, the Cup, the Champions League next season, and when it's finished, 1 month or 2 months left, we're going to see what's our position, and now we're going in that moment we're going to decide what is our target.